Hello everyone, as we all are stuck in this lockdown, I thought it would be a good idea to learn a little bit about COVID-19 and what happens when it infects our body. Since this is my first video, show me some love. Please like and subscribe for further videos. Let's begin with the video. Okay, but before we get to that, let's learn a little bit about coronavirus family. Coronavirus are a large family of viruses that usually cause mild to moderate upper respiratory tract illness. There are hundreds of coronaviruses, most of which circulate among such animals as pigs, camels, bats and cats. And out of 100, 7 infect human. Out of which 4 causes very mild, moderate diseases in human. But the rest 3 causes very severe diseases. Those 3, the first one is SARS, which is severe acute respiratory syndrome. And we all know that has emerged in 2002. Then came in 2012, then came Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. And the quite recent one is in 2019, SARS-CoV-2, which is also known as COVID-19 as it happened in 2019. So now let's see what happens when COVID-19 infects our body. The first thing what happens is when any viruses, anything enters our body, our immune system takes care of it. But in case of COVID-19, our body goes in hyperdrive and it releases a large amount of cytokine. Cytokine are required in very tiny amount, very less amount in our body, and that gets the job done. But in this case, when cytokine concentration increases, what happens is also known as cytokine storm. So the result of cytokine storm leads to excessive weakness of blood vessels, increase of temperature, body temperature, then extremely low BP, lack of oxygen, that's why we need ventilators, excess acidity in the blood, which could lead to soreness in the body. That's why some of the symptoms we have seen and we have heard from our neighbors or whoever is infected that they feel pain in their body. Then comes blood clotting inside the body. And also that one of the impact, the worst case is buildup of fluids in the lungs, which leads to oxygen deficiency in the body. Also, there's another underlying effect of cytokine storm is failure of very important organs such as heart, lungs, intestine, liver, genitals and kidney, which may occur due to, since our body is in hyperdrive, our WBC will attack the healthy tissues. And another effect of cytokine storm is formation of hyaline membrane, which is composed of debris of protein, dead cells, and that cover the lining of the lungs, and that may worse lead to a very severe oxygen deficiency in the body, and which may shut down of the lungs as absorption of oxygen gets very difficult. And this is mostly how COVID-19 kills a patient. So I hope you learn something from this video. Also remember to wash your hands, wear a mask and maintain social distancing, which is very important. Stay safe.